It's Christmas! Hey guys, and welcome to what could potentially be the biggest Temu haul I've got. Literally.
Bearing in mind some stuff has come out.
Some stuff has come out of this Christmas presents that I've got from Mike, which I've been panicking about all week, and they've turned out great, so I'm happy. Some Christmas presents Sue's got for me, I think, as well, so good. Now, I don't really know how we're going to do this, because it is quite big. There's still something breakable in it as well, according to Sue, so gently. Right, anyhow, so I'll flip you around quickly. Got Scooter Sue there. She's full of cold. Mike there.
It's Christmas!
The Christmas tree is up. And of course, raising up. You can see our Christmas decorations from the last unboxing that are up. And the stars are somewhere over here. Where are they? There they are, right there. We managed to get them all up somehow.
And this haul is the money that we need to get back for the fancy dress stuff that
this is the fancy dress stuff that never came, the money off that, the refund. First out is this. What is it? Let's open it.
Before I was wondering, Marcus, what is it?
I wouldn't open it too much because it's going to be big.
Yeah, it's going to be big, so maybe not open it.
Can you show it a bit?
Yeah, show it a bit. Got new curtains, is it?
I think it could be. We've got some new curtains, guys, for the apartment. Now, there's two ones. They are, I believe, hang on.
Yeah, they're not what we ordered.
Oh, shit. That's... It's the wrong way up.
Watch it on the floor.
Can you see that, guys? It's like a tropical beach scene. I'm lifting it up. It's like a tropical beach scene curtain. I don't know how we're hanging them up like, but yeah.
It's meant to be like you're looking through a door.
Oh, yeah, pretty big.
What do we do with that there?
Fold it back up.
We'll hang it up in a minute, we can find out.
So, no we ain't, because I'm doing something else later. Next at the bag is this.
No, we're not. It's a pole.
Oh no.
Right. So we have to go to buy some tape, put the ups in.
The bag's a bit broke that these came in, but
Maybe
I'll try to get them out.
What else we got, Marcus?
I believe there's some pyjamas that Scooter Sue's bought herself. What the hell?
She likes pyjamas.
No, I think something's it's like a pyjama shirt, which I doubt that'll fit her. No offence, Sue.
Yes, you will.
Feels Scotch actually, though.
So you got trousers there.
Pyjama bottoms, and I believe they're like two different sets.
Shorts.
They're not. Another pyjama top as well, if you can see that, guys. On the top. So a winter pair and a summer pair. Not bad.
I'm doing it.
Alright, you're doing it.
Right, there's the other set of curtains.
There's the other set of curtains, which I won't open, but these, I believe, have a parrot on them.
Carrot.
Parrot.
Oh, parrot.
I'll just dump them on you. It does feel like Christmas, the amount of stuff they got. First off, a very beautiful Christmas shirt.
Ooh, that's a
Oh, I like that, yeah. I like that.
No, you will
polo
not.
shirt.
That's mine. A nice
The polo shirt.
sort of polo shirt.
Not a,
That's the kind of shirt I like.
That's it.
Yeah.
Tough. It's mine. Got your own. Cheeky sod. That
It's a
is
bit
very
big, that,
nice.
Marcus.
Got Santa on the front and the reindeer.
Don't feel well at church, you're going to wear them once a year.
Yeah, I know.
For Christmas time. Like.
Oh, wait. Hang on. Oh, that's part of the design, I'm guessing.
sorry.
Well, I'm trying to fold it up. Hang on a minute.
There's all Christmas stuff in here, Marcus.
Yeah, 'cause it's Christmas.
Oh dear. Why are you just throwing it like me, like that?
No, I fold it.
You always have hold it.
So next up is
Do you want it back in the bag or not?
no. If I can open them, some Christmassy novelty toys,
Novelty toys, that's just what I was missing last year.
which are mine.
Oh, I can have one, can't I?
No,
How many you got?
There's only Christmas and New Year's ones.
I think I've got that couple.
You've got 2, 3 the same. It's a bit naff, isn't it?
Yeah, I thought they were different ones. I thought they were like snowmen, but obviously not. I think they just pick out some random ones
Yeah,
and
but
not.
surely there were lines you don't want 3 the same. So
clearly.
I complain about that.
Right, so I've got a Santa one and 3 Rudolph ones. So
Elasticated.
yeah, they're elasticated. Happy Christmas, Mike.
Oh, thank you very much.
Go
I'll put
and
it
try
on
it on.
next year. I'll get into it, that is. Here we go then, guys. You're turning you round too far there, isn't it?
Have I? Oh, I
The
haven't.
bit where you take his face out there.
Let's have a look.
Hang on, I can't open. I'll see you open that.
Here we go. Will it just go open here?
Can adjust it.
Can you open that for us?
There we go. Someone liking it, Marcus?
Yeah.
I'm in the corner
I
there.
mean, off a see under you.
There we go. I didn't say strangle me. Where's the toy gone now?
A bit short.
God, and that's Marcus to help you with it. There we go, guys. A bit short, that, isn't it? How do we get the camera to go down a little bit, mate? 'Cause we need it
Hang on.
to
I
go
won't
down.
see that because I think there should be stuff on the bottom of that and all.
God, they're a bit tight.
Can you bring the camera down a little bit when you finish?
I thought that'd be bigger.
A little bit. There you go.
I can't breathe. I'm bloody killing
Oh,
myself.
this one is. Oh, it's because you've got your mic on here.
I've
Yes,
got that. Yeah,
Show me yours, Marcus.
that's mine. Right, where am I? There I am. Can you see it? Like a Santa one. They are adjustable, but like, not that good.
Clip.
No,
Should have looked at it before we put it on. I'm sure they do.
I'm not going. Got to get that off before I strangle myself. Ouch.
Oh,
Right, yeah.
right.
Right, where are we?
Yeah, Marcus.
Right.
That's got that one off.
If you can hear any whistling in background,
Yeah,
it's
it's
my mic serenade.
Obviously didn't
Do you want me to
whistle,
put
but
it back in your bag?
Yeah.
that's one.
Next up, we've got a box.
Box.
Open up.
Slow down, Mike. Slow down, will ya?
Well, I'm slowing down. Must be in radio.
Open it carefully, she
Oh, it's
said.
kid at Christmas. You know that. You hold off for.
Careful.
Oh, that's
It's
snow.
polystyrene.
Yeah, it's much
It's
snow.
a Betty Boop mug for Scooter Sue. I wake up every day with a good attitude. Then idiots happen.
And they printed it on both sides.
Yeah, printed on both sides. Not a bad mug, that.
Speak.
Could have been a little bit bigger, I would thought.
Because, of course, who's Betty Boop mad for some reason? Bit thick, to be fair, I think. Probably why
Yeah,
she
well.
likes Betty Boop. There's your box for it, Sue.
No. Tell me, Mum.
Yes,
Tell
now.
me now. No.
Now, come on.
There we go. It's a Christmas tree.
No, it isn't.
Oh, yes, it is.
What?
It's going to be the camera if you put it there.
It's another Christmassy shirt, guys.
Christmas Eve shirt, huh?
Christmassy. Is it
Oh,
upside down?
Christmas Eve.
Well, that's a short sleeve one. That's like a polo
Like a
shirt,
short
okay?
sleeve polo shirt. Got gingerbread on and some baubles. Very smart.
Don't go down by the tree in town with that on.
Why?
Get lost.
Oh, you're funny, you, ain't you?
You will.
Then,
I'm the underactor.
last
There you are.
but not least, the final thing. Nothing else in there.
Where's the rest of my stuff there?
That's it.
You didn't get much stuff. It's another Christmas shirt. Another long sleeve Christmas shirt, guys.
I still got some on myself.
Very
I don't have all
smart
Christmas ones, I'll probably want some just
and very festive as well.
I like a jumper shirt, isn't
A jumper shirt.
No, them are shirts. No, I wouldn't
That's a
want
proper
that.
shirt.
It's a proper shirt, though.
I know. With like your cufflinks and all that. Very nice. So yeah,
I love the way he screws it up.
a very good Christmas haul, to be honest. I'm a
Happy Christmas, mate.
happy Christmas,
Big
Mike.
ties.
Yeah, the toys weren't really what I expected, because on the advertisement it does show that they do have like multiple different ones. I think they had like Santa ones, they had like a snowman, reindeer, Christmas tree, I think one was, and yet,
That's gone down the back of there now.
where's your hearing aid gone?
There.
Well, if he's lost it. Anyhow, yeah, I've ended up with like one Santa van and 3 Rudolph ones, but
One Santa one and 2 Rudolph ones.
yeah, 2 Rudolph ones because I ended up giving Mike one. But end of the day, not too bad. Hopefully they fit a lot better than I am wearing like a proper shirt with them. And yeah, everything else in the parcel were nice. Everything that I were worried about and panicking about were nice. Sue's happy with her mug.
I am, because probably if I'd have bought an actual Betty Boo mug, I'd have paid a lot for it.
I mean, yeah, that's what I love with Temu. You can just like find custom stuff and put any picture you want on it. I mean, the jumper got me logo on.
Yeah.
The hat got me logo on. I could get like a cup with me logo on.
So I think
Shoes.
next year, when we do another haul next year, I should maybe get some clothing with Betty Boo on, because you just never see it over here.
True. So yeah, pretty good. I mean, I'm glad it come as well, because lately, as you know, we've had a lot of issues with Temu and stuff not coming. So we've now decided to get everything sort of posted up to the bicycle shop up the road from us, because they do like a a click and collect type thing.
Yeah.
So like, it's pretty good. Like, we ordered the stuff off Temu, it gets delivered up there, then they just like send us a message when it's ready to pick up. So happy days, really.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Go subscribe to him. Go subscribe to her as well.
Bar humbug.
And don't forget, guys, Wavemas on AI Drop Nation, a Christmas wave song every day now. I did make a mistake of putting a few un-Christmassy songs up there, but now they're definitely back to the Christmas songs. So go check it out, link in the description down below. Adios and Feliz Navidad. Happy Christmas.